In this video, we are assembling the 3D ornament. So I saw these files and they've become quite popular. They're all over Etsy. So I decided to go ahead and try and make some. They're super easy to put together. In fact, the hardest part is probably the weeding. All of the balls, except for one, have cutouts in them. And so you just glue the vellum piece right behind. It's cut to be the exact same size. I have noticed that these like to curl up quite a bit, so I'm sticking them under my mat while they dry. I used a colored vellum. On mine, I'm using yellow here with this bow design. I'm just popping it right here under my mat. There are several different styles of this one. There's holly, snowman, stars, candy canes, stripes, snowflakes. I'm only going to show you putting together one because they all go together the same way. So here are the tops. You have a set for each side. I did that one and we'll do this one. Then you want to just go ahead and put these on before you put it together. The outside, just one second and I'll show you. So the outside line on this is on a slant, whoops, and the inside line is straight up and down. And then on this one, you have the hole cut out for hanging it. And again, you put one on each side. Okay. Now I'm going to start with the piece that has slits on the top and the bottom. And you're just going to feed this through. Put the bottom one on. I'm going to leave it closed while I put. It is easier to do the top first because the top is longer than the bottom. Okay, and then you're going to spread this out and add in the center. Now this does get very tight putting it on. And you just got to kind of, I bend the disc kind of down to get these popped in. You want to make sure that you're popped into each one of the little notches that are here. Okay, just like that. So that it's just another slice form, but then with panels added. And I'm going to pull in some that have been drying. I'm going to pull in the candy canes that have been drying for a while. There's one more in here somewhere. Maybe. I can't find the last one. So let's forget about this. I can't find all 6 of them. Oh, there it is. Okay. So these have been drying and they're flat. So now I can, let me lay these out so that they can flatten. There we are. Okay. So I'm just going to just kind of train the paper a little. And you slide it into the bottom and then up into the top. And we're just going to go all the way around to all 6 panels. Now I have tried taking these apart. They can come apart. It's not as easy as you would think it would be, but you would be able to take them apart for storage to save for next year. And these ones with the vellum, if you want, you can make them into a lantern by adding a tea light. I have one here. And you just set that right inside. And there is your Christmas ball. So as you can see, very quick and easy. Thank you for joining me.